Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2016 Dodge Caravan. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the system and the hardware specification of the system as well. Okay, this system is fully compatible with the original steering wheel control. You can see that the steering wheel control, you can also fully compatible with the use that one to control everything on the system. So basically this system is direct fit. As you can see, there's no gap here. There's direct fit on the system, and this is fully compatible with the backup camera if your car comes with a backup camera here. All right, so it's very nice. You can see that the image is very clear. All right, so and now I'm gonna show you how to use the system as well. That the system also comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of the storage memory. It also comes the newest version of the Android 10.0. You also come the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Okay. First, let's start from the navigation first. Okay, the navigation is pretty straightforward. Okay, this one is the built-in navigation. You can see that there's you don't need to connect to Wi-Fi to use the navigation. Is offline. How to use the navigation? Just click on the bottom right corner here and then new road and then address. You can just basically enter the address right here. It's very straightforward. In order to go back to the home menu, you just need to click on this button or maybe pull down a little bit from the top. Then on the upper left corner, there's a home button, and then it will also bring you to the home menu. All right, this is the home menu right here. This is the radio here. This system also supports the equalizer. You can also change the amplifier, change the equalizer, the sound quality of the system as well. Okay, it's very nice. And of course, it also comes with video in motion. You can also download any of the application to the system. For example, internet browser. You can also download the internet browser where you can browse the internet. And other than that, you can also go to Google Map. This is the Google Map right here. Okay, it's very nice, and it also comes with voice control. Okay, so home, and then you will bring you to the main menu. And then you can, if you have the Netflix account, you can also watch the Netflix on the system as well. This system also comes the video in motion. Okay, but for sure it's for the passenger. Okay, not for the driver. And okay, and other than that, you can also download any video to the USB, and then you can also play that on the system as well. Okay, for example, human evolutionary change. As you can see, it's very nice. All right, so basically quality of the screen is actually very clear. All right, and other than that, of course, you can also watch the YouTube. You can download any application like the Spotify, Waze, anything. You can also download the Facebook, Instagram on the system as well. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. This system supports a wireless Apple CarPlay. How does it work? They use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but when they get paired, they will switch to the Wi-Fi at the back one. Okay, so basically how to do that? Just go to the Bluetooth, okay, and then connect to the Bluetooth device on the system. All right, and then go to connect to Dodge. All right. And then enter the password right here. Once you get paired, then you can go back, go to ceiling. Then it will bring you to the Apple CarPlay. Just pay attention to the cell phone, grant authorization to use the CarPlay. Perfect. As you can see, it's very nice. Alright, so this is Apple CarPlay. So as you can see, this is Apple CarPlay. This system also supports the newest version of the iPhone 13 and iOS 15. At the same time, other than the Apple CarPlay, it also supports the Android Auto if you use the Android phone. Okay, so it doesn't, so you don't need to worry about that one. Even though if you use the Android phone, it will also fully compatible with the Android Auto. Okay, and under the Apple CarPlay, you can also use the steering wheel control, and of course, you can also use this one to select the song. You can see that. Very nice. Okay, it's fully compatible, and this system also supports the voice control. How to use the voice control? You just need to click on the bottom left corner, hold it, bring me to the gas station. It's very nice, right? What's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 12 degrees, and the low will be 9.
Okay, as you can see, it's fully functional for the Apple CarPlay. You can also check your message right here. You can also check your WhatsApp message. Okay, in order to go back, you just need to click on the home button and then click on car, and then you will bring you to the original menu. You can also listen to the music from the Apple CarPlay while at the same time you use the navigation. All right, it's very nice. This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.